Hello student, now we are starting lesson number 4, Disaster Management Part 2. In Part 1, we discussed about disasters like earthquake, floods, storms, forest fire, etc. In this video, we will discuss about first aid. In day-to-day life, sometimes we have faced disasters or accidents for varying proportions. On such occasion, it is necessary to give some immediate aid even before medical treatment becomes available. This is known as first aid. External bleeding. In case of external bleeding, what will you do? Make the injured person sit or lie down. Clean the wound with clean water. Keep the injured part above the level of the heart. If bleeding does not stop, take the person to the doctor. Burns and scalds. While doing some work in the kitchen, you may face this condition. In case of minor burns, the injured part should be washed with water or held under the water. Give the victim water to drink. Do not apply any ointment. Cover wound using dry dressing. In case of serious burn, give emotional support to the victim. Remove jewelry, shoes if easily possible. Give water to drink but avoid tea or coffee or other stimulating drinks. Get medical treatment immediately. Sunstroke. When we work in the sun continuously for a long time, the body loses lot of water and minerals. That is the reason for the sunstroke. What will you do in this case? You have to take the patient in the cool place or in the shade. Place a cloth soaked in a cold water on the neck. Give plenty of water to drink. If the patient feels like vomiting, make him lie on his abdomen with the head turned to one side. Snake bite. There are nearly 2000 species of snakes, but only few like cobras, kraits, vipers and sea snake are poisonous. However, fear causes severe psychological shock which can result in death. If you come across a snake, contact a Sarpamitra rather than killing the snake at once. What will you do in case of snake bite? First of all, wash the wound with water. Give emotional support to the patient. Tie a cloth tightly above the wound and get immediate medical help. Dog bite. In a dog bite, there is a risk of infection through the blood. Hence, first aid and medical help are necessary. In such case, wash the wound with the solution of potassium permanganate or any other antiseptic. Cover the wound with a clean and dry cloth. Immediately get the doctor's help and take an injection of the anti-rabies vaccine. What we have learnt in this lesson? First, the definition and examples of disaster. Then we discussed about some disasters like earthquake, floods, storms, forest fire, etc. Meaning of disaster management and remedial and preventive measures. And then meaning of first aid.